Prepare a plastic container. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, transfer the alcohol into the spray bottle. Add 3.5 ounces of cloves. Set the mixture aside for 4 days, shaking the bottle each day. After that, strain the liquid through a sieve into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix well. Pour everything back into the spray bottle. Spray your hands or other areas of your body. In another container, pour 1 tablespoon of spirit or vodka. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water. Then add about 40 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix everything well and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before going for a walk and keep the bottle in your purse. It might come in handy when you and your friends stop for a picnic in the park. Buy Formic Spirit at the pharmacy. It's formic acid mixed with purified water and ethanol. Just dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your clothes before going for a walk, and you'll be fully protected against ticks. Ticks will flee from you. This remedy is a lifesaver. I always have 1 small bottle with me. This spray is natural and completely free. There is no need to spend money on expensive product. I spray it on my overgarments, especially my pants, when I spend time outdoors. I haven't had a tick in many years. Not only will ticks avoid you from afar, the spray is also excellent at repelling mosquitoes and midges. What to do to have such a spray? Just pay attention to one plant on your walk. It is this plant, a natural tick repellent that grows in meadows, under the forest and along roads. Pick a few twigs and take it home. It is easily recognized by its characteristic flowers, which bloom yellow from mid-July. Put the flowers in a pitcher. Pour hot water over them. Set aside for 30 minutes. When the infusion cools, pour it into a spray bottle. Spray your outerwear when you go walking in the woods, especially pants and shoes, and you won't have a problem with ticks anymore. Your veterinarian won't tell you this. You won't see ticks and fleas on your dog or cat anymore. These parasites really dislike this scent. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You'll protect your 4-legged friend from ticks and fleas with a simple recipe. With us, you'll create a preparation that's easy and inexpensive to make. It'll last for quite a few walks. You only need a few ingredients. It's really a very simple trick that I use myself. Let's get started. Prepare a bowl and pour in 100 milliliters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix well. After combining the liquids, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix again. Vinegar and dishwashing liquid effectively repel many pests and parasites. Now take regular unscented shampoo. Measure out 1 tablespoon. Mix to combine everything. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Your mixture already has everything needed for fleas, lice, and ticks. Mix it well. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer. Pour the contents of the bowl into the bottle. Now you can easily apply the spray to your 4-legged friend. Spray them all over, avoiding their face. You can also use this spray on cats. Such a spray effectively repels ticks, fleas, and lice. This is my secret method for dealing with various insects in the house. With this trick, you can get rid of ants, cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, and even bed bugs. This spray will also prevent them from coming back. First, pour 500 milliliters of water into a pan. Add a handful of cloves, then pour in 250 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Add 100 milliliters of alcohol and dissolve 2 lemon-flavored effervescent tablets. Insects hate citrus scents. Once the tablets stop bubbling, mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now you have a ready-to-use natural insect spray. Spray it in all the places insects love the most, such as plants, windowsills, doors, and corners. Remember to apply it regularly to keep bugs away. Try it yourself and see how effective this homemade solution is. Just a few drops will keep ants away. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. Start by boiling water in a pot. Add a mosquito coil to the boiling water, then toss in a handful of cloves. Next, add a tablespoon of coarse salt. Stir well and let it boil until all the ingredients dissolve. Remove from heat and pour in a small glass of alcohol. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes before transferring it to a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, which enhances the scent. After a moment, use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the affected areas and say goodbye to ants. Repeat the application regularly, especially after rain or cleaning. This way, you'll effectively keep ants away and maintain your space free from unwanted guests. If you have snails in your garden, you can get rid of them. Spray this all over the garden, and the snails will disappear. This natural mixture will repel these pests. Additionally, it eliminates aphids, caterpillars, and deters ants. If you have a garden, you are surely familiar with these pests. Snails can destroy crops, as they enjoy cultivated vegetables and fruits. You probably know that you can protect your crops with methods like using ash. Sprinkling ash around plants creates a barrier that stops snails. Another method is using eggshells. A sufficient layer of eggshells spread in the garden will also deter these pests, though you need a lot of them. Remember that coffee grounds can also be used in the garden like ash and eggshells. But today, I will show you a mixture made from them. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee or coffee grounds to 300 milliliters of warm water. Caffeine repels snails and other pests. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic is rich in sulfur and allicin, which snails and many other pests dislike. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of mint, either fresh or dried. The essential oils in mint are excellent for repelling ants and snails. Mix everything and leave it for a few hours. Then strain it through gauze or a coffee filter. Dilute with about 3 liters of water. Use this mixture to spray the borders of the garden, paths, plants, and vegetables. Use it regularly, and you'll see that snails won't be as eager to visit your garden. Hang it on a tree, and you'll quickly get rid of that annoying problem. This little pouch will also work well in the house. It's a simple yet effective method. Take some aluminum foil and tear off a piece. Foil is not only good for storing food, but also has hidden uses. Fold the foil into a larger rectangle and fold the edges tightly to keep it from falling apart. Carefully make a small hole at the top using a screwdriver. Now take a string and cut a piece of the right length. Secure it carefully to the foil. The pouch should look like this. Its function is simple but effective. You can hang it on a window, door, or even on a tree. This will keep flies from appearing in your home. The light reflecting off the foil on a sunny day effectively repels them. These insects avoid the flickering reflections that they associate with it. This small but clever trick can be indispensable, especially in the summer when the insect problem becomes particularly bothersome.